In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an employee in Creatio CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Creatio like you usually would. Then from here, once you've done that, you need to go up to this plus icon up here and scroll down until you see the employee tab down there. From here, you need to go down to contact and then click on this loop over here. From here, you'll see an overview of all your contacts. And here you'll need to click new. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. And up here, you'll need to write in a first name, last name, middle name if the employee has that, and a birth date, like so. Then from here, you can also add and upload a photo of this specific employee. You can add in a type where you'll need to click employee. You can add an account where you can choose between all of your already existing accounts, or you can create a new account if you want to do that. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use this sample one up here and click select. From here, you'll need to write in job title, the phone number, and the email address of this said employee. From here, you'll just need to click save. And then from here, you can see that it has popped all of these information into the employee profile. From here, you'll need to add a job again where you can click the CEO of this specific title. You can add the organized unit, you can add an account again, a business phone, an email, birth date, gender, and the owner, which should be you. Down here you can also select new employees and click search. You can also add communications options like Facebook and Twitter. You can add the address, you can add a noteworthy event, and you can add notes if you want to do that. Over here you can also add different careers, job experiences for this specific employee. You can add the user account where you can organize all of this. You can add attachments and notes. You can see the feeds over here. Up here, you can also see a specific task that the employee has inside of Creatio CRM. From here, once you're done, you can click View over here where you can open Page Designer and you can set up a section case. But when you're done, you simply need to click Save over here. Once you've done that, that is basically that. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!